All right, how you doing? So I'm going to be rabbiting on a bit here. I'm going to be chatting for a little bit in the beginning of this video. We will get to some cooking stuff in a bit. But yeah, what I've got to say I think is really important. Well, it's been really important to me. So I've been to the doctors. I had a blood test and everything. I've just been told or diagnosed as diabetes type 2. Fantastic. So the doctor wanted to give me insulin pretty much straight away. And I was like, I don't want that. I don't want it. So got online, had a look, I found out a few things. There's a few doctors chatting online. I'll leave some links below actually. I think they're really good. I mean, there's quite a lot of people talking about this. So it's about reversing, or if not reversing, keeping it under control without insulin. And the way to do it is with diet. Now, I've just started this diet. This diet is no carbs, no sugar. When I say no carbs, I'm actually eating some lentils and things like that, which are carbs. But yeah, so there's no pasta, no potatoes, although you can eat sweet potatoes, yes. Yeah, it's all that's out the window. Like grains are gone. No, like I can't eat any sort of wheat or anything. Just started this, and I just want to tell you that the next day, the very next day, I didn't feel good. I felt bloody amazing. Like really, truly a transformation in one day. So I've been sticking to it. My energy levels are really up. You know, I'm sleeping nicely, which I never did before. Before I was really sluggish. I've got a couple of sort of preconditions. I had a stroke about 3 years ago, which really affected my whole right side, and I never really recovered from it, you know. I can still sort of boogie a little bit, but I'm not, you know, not great on my feet sometimes. But yeah, I get very tired very easily, and this has just changed immediately. So I just want to share this with you. Now look, just by the way, I'm not a doctor, so obviously take this with a little pinch of salt. And that's another thing, just a little pinch of salt. I'm trying to cut down on salt and oils and stuff like that. Now, what am I eating? I'm eating meat. I'm drinking milk. I'm eating eggs. So this is not a vegan diet, although some of the things that I eat are vegan, which I do anyway. But yeah, I'm going for that because I'm cutting out the carbs, but I'm going for fat. I'm going for fat and protein. So what am I doing? I'm eating loads of salads. I'm eating some lovely curries, which you probably know if you're a regular to the channel, because I make loads of curries here. You know, I can eat a steak, no problem. And it's just, so I'm just loving it. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. I'm loving it like that. So over the years, I've had my fair share of McDonald's and Burger King and sort of, you know, KFC, and I've probably drunk a whole swimming pool's worth of Coca-Cola or something. Done a few recreationals in my time, and I've not been sleeping very well. You know, bad lifestyle, do you know what I mean? I've just had a bit of just a regular lifestyle, pretty much, like most of us do, but I'm over 50 now. Got to sort this out, you know, and I really don't want this insulin. I don't want it. I'm going to be going back to the doctors after a month, 30 days. I'm going to go back and check out how I'm doing. Because if I have to have it, I have to have it. I just really don't want it. So yeah, I'm going to do 30 days on this new diet, which I'm telling you, I just feel incredible. Incredible. By the way, it's really, really hot right now. I've got the AC off, otherwise you'll hear it on the camera. But I feel bloody amazing. Like, and I just wanted to share this with you all, really, and I hope that it can help some of you. So what I'm going to do, anyway, I won't rub it on too much because I'm good at that. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to do a few videos of stuff that I'm eating. You know, I'm really lucky that I can cook, so I can do this. I don't know why I didn't do it before. I'm an idiot, but yeah, I just want to get this videos out for you guys and maybe help you with some ideas for recipes of things that I'm eating. This is the first one, so that's why I'm blah 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 too much. But yeah, we're going to start off with a couple of chicken salads. So let's have a look at a boil of chicken. Okay, so I've got a pot here, 3/4 or just over half full of water. I'm going to get some salt in there. I've got some bay leaves here which I'm going to drop in. Now if you want, you can put ginger in, garlic in, turmeric to colour this chicken. I've got a lemon here, going to give that a squeeze, and then in it goes. So I'm just going to go with the lemon, bay leaf and salt. But yeah, there's loads of things you can put in here, cinnamon stick, stuff like that. It will flavour the chicken. So I've got 2 whole chickens here. They're like 1 kg chickens. Now what I've done is I've trimmed them up a little bit, and I've actually butterflied them. There's no need for you to do that, but I just don't need all that parts, and I'll give that to my cats. So 2 of those, in they go. Heat goes on. Once it boils, we're going to get it to a rolling boil. I'm going to let it go for 20 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. What we're going to do now is I'm going to take the chicken out, let it cool down. I'm going to take the skin off, and then I'm going to take all the meat from the bones, separate it up. You can discard the lemon and the bay leaves now. If you want, you've got some beautiful stock there. You can keep that and use that for maybe a soup or a sauce or something. Up to you. But yeah, that's going to come out. Let it cool down. Skin off. Separate the meat from the bone. Then we can move on. So there we have it. So we've just got some fantastic chicken now that we put some flavour into. We can use that for stir fries, for salads, for whatever you want. Beautiful stuff. So what I've got there is some iceberg lettuce. I've got some green onions, just the tops. You could use the bottoms as well if you want. A little bit of cucumber. A little bit of chopped tomato. 4 olives, nice calamatas, they're beautiful they are. Some chopped parsley or some other sort of fresh herb. I've got 1 cup here of chicken, which has been boiled. I just boiled the whole chicken and I took the skin off. I've got a lime here. I'm going to add a little tiny amount of salt, not too much. And the same with black pepper, actually a bit more black pepper. Going to give that a mix. So there's my salad. Going to put some 2 boiled eggs on there. And that's it. Lunch is done. That's it. Nice salad there, no oil. It's going to be good for me. So this is lentils with chicken and broccoli. Really fantastic. Okay, this is another kind of chicken salad that I like to eat with lentils. This is as much sort of carb as I go at the moment, is using sort of types of lentils. This is a cooked brown lentil. There's 1 cup of cooked lentils there. 1 cup of the chicken, which I think you've seen before. I've shown you that before, and equal parts of broccoli. I've just lightly steamed that. Got a little bit of a crunch on it, but slightly cooked. Onion, just under 1 cup. Bell peppers, different colours. I've got 4 in there. Red, green, orange and yellow. Nice bit of vitamins and obviously gives it a bit of sweetness. Some fresh cilantro or coriander. And here I've got 3 teaspoons of green chutney, which is this stuff here. So it's got, you know, chili in it and more cilantro or coriander. Just really nice. So if you've got, I mean, you could use a different chutney if you want, like a mango chutney or something like that, but a bit sweeter, I think. So if you're using that chutney, no need to add any oil or vinegar or anything. And I'm not even going to add any salt and pepper. That's going to do the trick. Simply going to give that a mix. Right, so mixing bowl. As you can see, I've got my cooked lentils in there and my broccoli. I'm going to add the chicken. And again, with the chicken, I boiled that and then I take the skin off it. So it's whole chicken boiled and then the skin's off. The onion, which I actually like raw onion quite a lot. The bell peppers. The fresh cilantro or fresh mint would be quite nice in this. And then the chutney. I'm going to give that a mix. I'll be back in a moment. And that's it, beautiful. That chutney just does it on there. So you don't need a lot of chutney on there, I don't find. Beautiful, beautiful salad. Hi, how you doing? Thanks so much for checking out our videos. Really, really do appreciate it. We're busy as ever. We're pumping out some fantastic food. Well, we think it's fantastic. So Chef June's got his own channel now. Please check that out. He's doing great guns on there, all in Tagalog, some fantastic food he's making. Rahel's doing her Armaric channel, which has been going on for some years now, and she's doing great. But please check it out if you want to know about Ethiopian food, although it is all in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. The vegan channel's doing okay. Could do with a bit of help actually, so pop over there and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're doing fine. We're still here in Bahrain at the moment. It's very hot, as you could imagine, but yeah, happy as can be. Now, if you'd like to help the channel out, you could buy us a coffee, or there's a little link will pop up now maybe, or something will pop up or something. But yeah, if you want to support the channel, that would help us out a great deal. Really, really appreciate all of you who send messages and follow us, on a regular basis. We love you all. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.